Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, morning.
Mama, James.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pay attention what you're doing. When you're putting down the cup, look where you're putting it. You having your breakfast? What you having for breakfast? Show the faves what you having for breakfast. Tell them, what is it? What is this?
Tea.
Go to Papa. Go to Papa. And just like that, my girl's walking. Come, Jared, come. Babe, say morning to the face.
Hi guys.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Our girl's walking. She loves walking from one end of the couch to the other. And she's in love with our intro. She loves our intro. It doesn't matter what she's doing and she hear it, she stop and she go up. And so, you guys, it is a brand new day, another day of quarantine. It is sunny and baby enjoy going outside.
Lunch.
He's on lunch break. Baby's on lunch break from working, and he enjoyed just sitting outside in the sun. This man loves sitting outside in the sun. He said he loves when the sun is on his face. He's so funny. So I woke up this morning and I got my workout in. Yes, girl, I got my workout in. I didn't want to, but I wake up and then I went right back to sleep. I went back to sleep, but then I got a little more sleep, and then I woke up and I felt more rested, and I said, yes, now is the time. I need to go and work out. So I got my workout in. I finished workout and I went straight to cleaning. I cleaned everybody's room, changed all the bedding. I even washed the bathroom and vacuumed the entire house, and did all that this morning before lunch. And then I gave everybody lunch, babe included, Tyler, Sarah, and myself. And now I'm just sitting here trying to answer some messages. I don't have any editing to do today, but I'll resume that tomorrow. So I'm just answering some messages and spending some time with Sarah and talking to you guys. Of course, Tyler is in his room playing. Let's go see what my boy is up to. Sarah, let's go look for brother. Sarah? Let's go look for brother. Come. Sarah's gonna get a nap soon. You see her in her brother clothes when he was a baby? Come, mama. Well, she doesn't care right now. Bye-bye. 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 Come. Come to mama. Up, let's go look for brother. Give me a hand. Up. Up. Let's go look for the little boss. He's in his room. Good morning, babe. What are you doing?
Playing in my room.
What are you playing?
Mama, look.
What is happening here?
Look. There's no gold on it. So those pirates is the bad guys.
Those are pirates.
Yep, but the pirates are bad guys.
Mm-hmm.
And they stole a crab.
Okay.
And they stole two gold, two paper of money and a lot of the look inside, mama.
That's what they stole in this box? They stole the gold.
See, that's the crab.
Okay, they stole the crab too.
Yes. You see?
And they stole 2 gold.
You see that big
I
line?
see it.
They stole all that so the police have a time to come.
To come.
Because
Okay.
look, the other bad guys, the first bad guy is still here, but the other bad guy from here went already in jail here.
Oh, so he's in jail. Where's the jail? Show me the jail.
Here. All that is the jail.
Okay.
So it has same name as the bad guys of Andy Andy.
Okay.
So the boss is in there.
The boss?
Yes.
Okay, the bad guy boss?
Yes.
Okay.
He go never in jail just one time.
Okay.
And then he go never.
Okay.
And him is Rocco.
Okay.
And him is Razor.
Okay.
Did you know which prison to Rocco in?
No.
In ice prison.
Okay.
And Razor is in
Brick prison.
yes, and the boss is in metal prison.
Ah, okay, I see. All right, enjoy playing. We're gonna do some schoolwork after, okay?
Okay.
All right,
We
bye.
are going to do letters and letter A.
Okay, we're gonna do the letter A later. All right? Bye.
Schoolwork today.
Yes, of course, it's Friday. Right? It's the last day of school for the week.
Yes.
All right, have fun. Bye.
Did you know that I speak English at school Friday?
Okay, so you're gonna speak English all day today?
Yes.
All right. Look at babe. Sitting in the sun like some old man. What is he thinking about? Hey! You look far away. You look like some damn old man. He's so funny. Look at your mouth. Ah! You so ready to take a nap? We're gonna take a nap. These fingernails need to clip. You're gonna let Mama clip your fingernail. Look at her lip. Hopefully you guys are staying safe where you are. It's another day of quarantine and it still feel ghosty, though we can't see what's going on in the streets apart from on the news. But as of today, they banned people from going on the promenade. It's forbidden to go on the promenade because they had given people permission who want to go out and exercise, but they have to have a paper with them, that something they have to write from online for when police stop them, to say it's authorization to work out. But they're saying that too many people going out to work out, so they stop them completely from going out to work out now. So yeah, hopefully you guys are staying in and staying safe. Our numbers here are rising like crazy. As of right now, me filming this video, we're over 11,000 cases, which is crazy, and it's still spreading. Each day the numbers get higher and higher, and nobody's not even out in the street. So you can just imagine. I hope some kind of solution put into place soon, especially for the elderly of all. I'm feeling it for them more than anything else. Anyway, y'all, stay safe and stay inside. Stay home if you have to. Stay home. Don't go out if you don't have to go out. All right, time to make dinner for my girl. And in here we have ground beef, zucchini, green beans, and sweet potato under the bottom. So yeah, dinner for her is about to go down. Look who is awake and joined me. And as he wake up, who you ask for as you wake up? Who you
Mama.
ask? No. Who you ask when you came out here?
Mama, what did you say?
When you came out here just now, who you asked for? You said, Mama, where is?
Sarah. I'm sleeping.
My cousin Marianne calling me. You guys have seen Marianne in a while.
Hello, Marianne.
Hi, baby boy.
The vlog is always asking for you. Say hello to the face.
Hi.
Baby 2 is awake. Ready for your bottle? Ready for your bottle, Mama? Yeah. I swear if Sarah here didn't pierce, I would think I'm kissing Tyler all over again when he was a baby. Look at her face. Living Tyler. Yay! Bravo! Yay! Bravo! Look at his stomach. Let me see. Look at that stomach. Look at him. Look at that stomach. Look at that stomach. Why that one so small?
That one?
Yeah. Continue and focus. Tyler is writing the letter A.
Mama, did you know what?
What?
I'm doing the A under the A that I already did.
Yes, good job.
Like that, I know that it's all fixed.
Okay. Good job. Good concept. Be careful, you're making one line too short.
Oh, yes.
cabbage and corned beef and fried dumpling is ready. I love fried dumpling. Yes, yeah. She want me to treat up first. She can't wait.
You start to give her some porridge or not yet?
Not yet.
Why?
Why you haven't given her porridge yet? You want me to use our milk to make porridge in this time when I can't get milk? This cabbage and corned beef is so bomb. I haven't sit down as yet. And my plate is empty. Well, Stephen, it was mad seeing this on your channel. It made me wanted it and I decided to make it today. So hey, whenever I watch SOAI vlogs, I drool non-stop and me just want everything that I see him cook. Everything that I see that boy cook, I want it. But yeah, it was worth it. This is your fault, Stephen. Your fault. But it was yummy. And my fried dumplings were melting, no babe?
Very good.
Sarah, Mama T, she need to pause from the eating. And then because I've been eating veggies so much lately, at least a little heavy thing that I eat, it makes me full. I enjoy this cabbage and corned beef and fried dumpling. I gave Tyler 3 dumplings and he have 1.5 remaining. Yes?
I sneeze.
You sneeze? You want something to wipe your nose?
Yes.
Come.
Gâteau au
Oh.
un oreille de chat. Banane caramel.
Et
Et un gâteau en tête de loup.
cerise.
Cerise chocolat. Mais miam, les 3 copains. Ce fruit
Fut
fut
une
une bonne journée.
bravo.
Fin de l'histoire.
So night of faves.
Night of space.
So that's your.
Hey guys, it's Friday night, but it feels like every other night. No? You want
It
drink?
feels weird since you're
You
working
want?
from home.
Oh, you prefer that? They say that because of coronavirus, so either in 9 months there's a lot of babies, or either in 2 weeks there's a lot of divorce.
No, there won't be any divorce over here and there won't be any babies. There won't be any divorce because when he's working, he's not in my way. I don't even remember sometime that you're in the house. So you're not in my way at all. The baby part, I don't really know about that, but the divorce part, that's not going to happen. It's just that I feel like I see you all day.
You get tired of me.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Tired of me.
I feel like we're on vacation.
Yeah. So
So
that's
you guys,
that's definitely not the good moment to ask for vacation.
the latest on the coronavirus on our side of the world is
France, I think I saw
Over
12,000
this
something
morning
like
it
this.
was over 11. Now it's over 12,000.
We get like 1,000 more. I think they said 78 dead during the day. So
78 dead.
yeah, today.
Okay,
Italy
but
have
today-
600 dead just for today. Italy having bad. Italy having very bad,
Oh,
very
man.
bad. So
And you know, the saddest thing is the old people that I feel bad for. And some of these people, they don't care for others. They couldn't give a
especially
rat's
French.
ass.
French are terrible.
My
French.
They have to
Remember
close the
French killed the
promenade.
king, cut the head of the king. Remember that? That's how they did. No, French people, they just think that they're over the law. They're over. Oh, that's not for me. But when I see some media, I think it's all over the world that people just don't care. Some people just don't care until you eat them.
Where you guys always see us going to the beach, they close that road completely. Not even vehicle can drive there as of tomorrow.
That's the only way. They say in Paris, they give more than almost 2,000 tickets just
Over
today.
$1 million.
More than 2.5 million euro
That's
in
sad.
tickets just
Which
in
mean
Paris.
people not
No,
listening.
they're not listening.
And people fail to understand that they can have this disease, have this virus, and don't even know because you have no symptoms at all. It's sad. But anyway, that's what's going on the latest here. Like I said, they close the promenade. Wow, what a beauty. They close the promenade, so no one is allowed because they had gave authority to people to have to go out and work out, to exercise, but by having a paper to say they give you this paper to download online.
Yeah, but the things was to walk out just a
To
little
walk
times,
your dog,
like
just to
2K,
go out and come
like
back.
1.5 miles maximum, and around
People obviously
around where
going
you
to sit on the
live.
beach.
People, so yeah, they have all the right. So with all of the money that they're
Getting from
gonna
all this fine.
yeah, but that all the money that they're gonna spend for companies for all of these things, at least they get some money from that. I think they
Exactly.
should just share the money to all of the doctor, all of the people
yes, the
that
doctor and everybody who works
yeah,
in
the
healthcare.
nurse, all of
My
the
hat goes off to all y'all
all of this
because
person that in contact with
y'all doing it. You
Just
you
share.
coming in contact with it, and it's just not easy. Everybody who work in healthcare right now, because you're hands on with it, you're there with it, you're in
especially
the
the
environment with it.
little helper in terms of the doctor they will
The
get
doctor's
out.
assistants,
Right,
the
because
nurses really.
the nurses are even the healthcare in hospital, because they just pay what? They just pay like 1,500 per month. The doctor they pay 10-20,000. I won't say that, but it's the other that just have it's just like a basic job, but actually they're in front of everything. So that's the person that all of the fine
Direct
should go to.
contact, right.
They
And the
should-
way France does these things, they're sure to get the money, because when they see on the road that you get the fine, they're allowed to go directly to your account. They're not waiting on you to pay them the fine. They're going directly to your account, and
No, there's no way you
everybody
can
in
avoid
France
it.
is a must to have an account. So there's no way you can avoid it. Whenever they give you the fine, they're getting that money. Trust me. So that's a good system that they have. So hope all this money that they're collecting, the healthcare workers, they need to get 3 times whatever they're paying.
I agree.
And if we have any healthcare workers or anybody in the medical field that watch us, I know one person for sure. Kenisha, big up yourself. And anybody else who does. Hats off to you guys. You guys are amazing. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog here for today. The kids are off to bed. You guys stay safe. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. And it's another day of Corona Chronicle. That's what I like to call it. Quarantine going into week 2. See you guys tomorrow.